Hi lovelies, welcome to Adadiorama TV. In today's activity, we are going to be treating the parts of the body in Igbo language. Parts of the body in Igbo language is akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. Akụkụ ahụ mmadụ n'asụsụ Igbo. Wonu ya. Akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. Kwukwalu ya ọzọ. Akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. We have so many parts of the body, and we're going to be explaining them in Igbo language. We're going to be pronouncing them in Igbo language. So, as I pronounce, you pronounce after me. Okay? All right. Let's start. Isi, head. Isi, head. Anya, eyes. Anya, eyes. Imi, nose. Imi, nose. Ono, mouth. Ono, mouth. Eze, teeth. Eze, teeth. Ire, tongue. Ire, tongue. Nti, ear. Nti, ear. Aka, hand. Aka, hand. Obu, shoulder. Obu, shoulder. Azu, back. Azu, back. Agba, jaw. Agba, jaw. Onu maọbụ olu, neck. Onu maọbụ olu, neck. Afọ, belly. Afọ, belly. Ụkwụ, leg. Ụkwụ, leg. Ike, buttock. Ike, buttock. Alright kids, we've learned about the head. I told you that the head is called isi in Igbo language. And talked of the eyes, I told you it is called anya in Igbo language. And the nose which is called imi in Igbo language. And the mouth which is called ono in Igbo language. Also the teeth, which is called eze in Igbo language. Eze. Ire, the tongue, remember that. And the ear, which is called nti in Igbo language. Nti. Then the hand, which is called aka in Igbo language. Aka. And obo, which is called shoulder in English language. Obo. And the back, which is called azu in Igbo language. Azu in Igbo language. Then the jaw, which is called agba in Igbo language. Agba in Igbo language. Then onu maọbụ olu, which is the neck in English language. Onu. Afọ, which is belly in English language. Afọ. And ụkwụ, which is a leg in English language. Ụkwụ, Igbo language. Ike in Igbo language. Buttock in English language. Ike in Igbo language. Alright kids, here we are going to end our lesson today. Tell mommy, tell daddy to always play the videos on this channel for you. Remember, it's Adadiorama TV on YouTube, okay? I hope you learned something today. Keep on playing the videos on this channel and trust me, you'll keep improving in your Igbo speaking skills and also your writing skills, okay? Thank you for watching. Mommy, Daddy, please remember to click on the subscribe button if you have not done that. All right, thank you for staying with me. Bye, till next time.